Biology, physics and chemistry पे. So today we will differentiate acids and bases. So let's get started. So guys, I am showing you a video to make you understand well. An acid is an example of one of the ionic compounds. A sample of this type of substance contains in abundance a positively charged hydrogen ions. They are released from the compound when dissolved in water. A base is also an ionic compound. Sample of this type of substance contains in abundance of negatively charged hydroxide ions. They are released from the compound when dissolved in water. An acid has always greatest concentration of hydrogen than hydroxide ions. In contrast, a base always has a greatest concentration of hydroxide ions than hydrogen ions. If hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions are present in equal numbers, then the substance neither an acid nor a base, but it is neutral like a pure water. Now let's discuss more differences between them which is given in the picture. On a scale from 0 to 14, lower pH solution are strong acids, higher pH solution are bases, solutions measuring pH 7 are neutral. Acid is a chemical substance that has a pH lower than 7, but in another hand, a base is a chemical substance that has a pH higher than 7. An acid is any hydrogen containing substance that is capable of donating a proton to another substance. But in another side of base, a molecule or ion able to accept a hydrogen ion from an acid. Let's discuss its examples. An example of acid substance can be found in the lemon juice which has a pH 2 level. An example of base substance can be found in the bleach which has a pH 12.6 level. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and comment down, and also do follow this page. Thank you so much.